decoration. And they have these boxes of different kind of animals and things, and people use these around Christmas time for decorating, and they're difficult to find. So I saw this one, and it's never too early to start collecting these. I want to have some of these to sit out. They are toys, so if you look closely you can see the join, but for $1, that's what I call getting a lot of bang for your buck. That was bad. Okay.
Oh my gosh, these gift bags. I just about came unglued when I saw these gift bags. I don't know what the side looks like. The side is that kind of a design. Does anyone know what this beautiful glitter will look like if I laminate this? Like if I try to turn this into a cover? Does anyone know if it'll ruin the bag? So my mom would really, I could put her Mother's Day gift in this, but it would also make a pretty planner cover. And then there's also this one, and you know, one side's not glittery and one side is glittery. Thought that was really pretty. The side has flowers and lattice, and then this one says Paris, and it's got Le Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower, and some roses. And that one also has glitter on this side, not on this side, and the side. Ooh, that's pretty. Just kind of, oh look, that's pretty. Well, it's got the postmark, like old vintage love letters. And then this I thought was really cool. Oh, by the way, I have gotten glitter paper before, but I've never found the kind that's supposed to be adhesive in the back. So this is supposed to be adhesive back. Unless the stuff I got was adhesive back and I didn't know it, but I tried to pull the back off and I couldn't. I feel like this requires some sort of special skill that I don't have.
Because maybe the other stuff I got was adhesive back too. Look! I can't, like, I'm tearing it up. But I was peeling it on the next one. And I'm not. It's not adhesive back. It says adhesive back. Ooh, that's my mommy.
Okay, so while I was on the phone with my mom, I was piddling around with this, and it is adhesive back. You have to peel, like, I was trying to, like, peel part of the paper. It's just a thin, see, that's just very thin. That's what it looks like. So, mystery solved. And they had another color too, which I didn't get, because sometimes they'll stack them differently. Like I accidentally bought this another time where the orange was on top, but this one also has that like orangey coppery color. And but the other set is turquoise and blue, I think, or turquoise and baby blue. Anyway, there is another set of colors that I would like to get. Now I want to dig out my other paper I have that I didn't think was adhesive back. See if it is. I got this. I thought maybe this might be fun to use in my planner or for gift cards. I have a very old Cricut, and I thought maybe I could even like cut some, I don't know, designs out. Anyway, okay, and then I found these stencil wheels. Now, I'm not sure I really understand why it's a wheel. If someone can explain to me what the significance is of it being a wheel, I would love to know. Let's put it in front of my hair so we can see. So this is various, I would say this is various boho designs. That's a paisley, and there was a medallion. There's another paisley. like 5 different paisleys maybe, and a medallion. So I think that's pretty cool, and that's like a double paisley. Maybe the significance of it being on this stencil wheel is that you've got them compact all like right here, and then you can just paint this one, and this will block the other designs from getting paint on them maybe. I don't know. I'm guessing. And then this one is butterflies. Get it turned. So there's a butterfly and more butterflies. This is like solid. Those are all pretty. You know, another thing that I think would be neat to try is on a greeting card. Getting some, we've been spackling our walls. I think it'd be interesting to get some spackle and like put it over this on a greeting card and then peel this away, and it would leave like a raised butterfly, and then I could maybe paint it or something. No. And then this one, the last one I found. I think that there's more. I wanted the one with the fern, but I couldn't find it. That says Home Sweet Home. Be bold, be brave, be you. Okay. And then like a Valentine's heart. And this, make it happen. Dream big. You and me. Oh, this one's not that great. I'd rather have the one with the ferns on it. I don't really know what I'm going to do with these, but they reminded me of my mama. She had some little frogs next to her kitchen sink that were really small, and they were in these positions, so they had more positions, but I like these. So maybe I'll make like a little fairy garden, because I did get some stuff a while back for a fairy garden that I never used, so maybe I'll make a fairy garden and put the frogs in it. And then I also have a couple of toadstools. Those reminded me of Mama and Papa as well. They're very 70s, and she had mushrooms. She liked frogs and stuff. And then I got 4 of these spotlights for the yard. These actually work decently well. I mean, it's $1. So it's not going to be as bright as something that would probably be more expensive, but it's completely worth $1, and it's not like it's for security or anything. It's just to kind of help light things up. I thought maybe I might point them toward some plants or a yard flag or something like that. I got 4 of them. And I have one out back that actually helps me kind of see where I'm going when I let the dog out in the middle of the night. Around 4 a.m. my dog decides she needs to go out. Oh, and I got some of these tubs in orange. It's like my favorite color. And these are really good for cleaning and mopping and sorting and all kinds of stuff. And I also got some of these plastic baskets. I had been looking for these for a long time because I saw somebody spray painted them and made them look like wire swim baskets. So I may do that, but they're also really great for sorting as well. And then I got this little butterfly that I thought maybe we could use to decorate my dad's grave sometime in the future. And I got another one of these dog toys that my German Shepherds love, these long toys for some reason. And they actually last a lot longer than the other ones. Don't know why, but when they do get a notion to pull the squeaker out, it's out in like 5 minutes, if not less. And then look at this. How big this vase is, how tall it is. I saw at like the Magnolia Home store, the Joanna line, she had a pedestal, like a cake pedestal, that the bottom looked like this, and I had been thinking I need to get a glass or something to try and make one of those pedestals. Well, look, the vase. I can just turn it upside down, and I was thinking maybe get like a pizza pan or something, and that might look kind of cool. I don't know. We'll see. And what else? Anything else? Oh, I got these little birds. I put one of these on my front porch last year, and it just added a little happy spring touch. I think that's everything. Actually, that's not everything. I forgot. I went sticker crazy, and so I got a lot of stickers to show you, but my hubby's hungry, so I'm gonna go eat, and then I'll show you the stickers later.